I'm going to show the new criteria-based matching for settings. In this example, I want to create a setting that only matches leads to a sales rep that specializes in small businesses of under 50 employees. We just got this spooky Halloween lead, Beetlejuice. As you can see, he's a solopreneur as he's the only employee at his company. And since this is a brand new lead, he does not have a sales rep assigned yet. On the other hand, we have our sales rep, James. You can tell by his title that he's an account manager and his specialty is in small business. These fields will come into play with our setting. Now that we have all the background information, let's go set up our setting. First step is the child object. In this case, this will be lead. I previously created a lookup field to our sales rep object, but you can create a new field at this step. Just remember to go back and update field level security. Now for the matching criteria. You would normally pick the two fields you want to match, but for criteria matching, it'll be a little different. Check criteria matching mode at the top. Now, our parent and child filters are required, and records are related only when filter criteria are met. For the parent filter, I previously created a filter I called Small Business Account Manager. If I hit Edit, you can see that the criteria are that the title has to equal Account Manager and that the specialty has to be small business. The child filter is to limit accounts that have less than 50 employees. If I click Edit, the number of employees needs to be equal to or less than 50. Pretty straightforward. As usual, you can go through optional checkboxes and give the setting a name. Now I'll save and run this setting. When I go back to our Beetlejuice lead, we can see that James is now the linked sales rep.